duty.
Messi.
No, I don't like Messi, bro.
Why?
Because he's short and he's bad and he's trash, bro. Ronaldo's better. Come on, bro. You know Cristiano Ronaldo's better, bro.
He's Ronaldo dad. He's Ronaldo.
It's what I'm saying, bro. You're the dad of Ronaldo. That's your son. You gotta support your son, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay.
Ah, fuck! Oh shit! I'm a pro. What I say? What I say? What I say? I'm a pro. What I say? What I say? I'm a. Bro, they don't believe. Bro, you remember when I texted you 3 years ago?
Yes,
Bro, I texted you. Yes, bro. I scouted him 3 years ago. Literally, like, bro.
The 2024 Ballon d'Or fan football winner is